Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and let's see how we can change your name to Reddin Stumble Guys. Navigate to the top left corner of your screen. Click on that area to access your profile. Once there, locate and click on the pen icon, which represents editing. In the text field that appears, input the following command: greater than color equals red greater than, followed by your desired name. This will transform your name into red text. Remember, you can replace red with any other color you prefer. After entering your new name, proceed to confirm the change by selecting the Save or Apply button. If the option is labeled as free, it implies that your initial name change is at no cost. However, keep in mind that if you wish to change your name again in the future, there is a fee associated with the process. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.